Exercise 12.2. Question number 1 is simplify combining like terms. In my video of this algebraic expression part 2, I had thoroughly explained, given the example also, that how can we simplify the terms by combining the like terms. So this question you can easily do. Second is add. Now we have to add all these terms. There are commas. In place of commas we will put plus, because we have to add, and then add the like terms. Question number 3 is subtract. Subtract minus 5y square from y square. So first what you will write? Y square. Then you will write minus sign because you have to subtract. And then you will write this term minus 5y square. This also I had explained in my video. So you all can watch that video. Now question number 4 I am going to explain you. Question number 4 of this exercise is, what should be added to x square plus xy plus y square to obtain 2x square plus 3xy. Now let a is added. Let a be added. Okay, suppose we are adding this expression a. Okay, now where this a will be added? It will be added to this expression which is already given. Add a to it, and you will get 2x square plus 3xy. This is what they are saying, that add something into this so that you can obtain this expression. So we have added a. Now we have to find the value of this a. To find the value of a, we will write 2x square plus 3xy. Now this expression which was here will be shifted this side. And when any number is shifted, when the number changes their sides, the sign is also changed. So it will become, now it was plus, it will become minus. But inside the other signs will not be changed because it is one expression. The whole expression, I have changed its sign from plus to minus. So within the inside the bracket, I am not going to change right now. But when I will open the bracket, then I will change. A is equals to 2x square plus 3xy. Now minus, it will become minus as the sign is changing. Plus will become minus because that minus sign is multiplying with each of these terms. So it will become minus. Now we have a lot of terms here. Let's combine it. Let's simplify it. X square, we have x square. So these two can be written together. 3xy minus xy plus 3xy minus xy. What is left? Minus y square. Solve it. 2 minus 1, 1x square plus 3 and minus 1 plus 2xy minus y square. Just see the numbers. 3 minus 1 is 2. xy will come. 2 minus 1, 1. X square will come with it. So now you can't further add because now all the terms are unlike. So we can't add it now. So this is the expression which should be added to this so that this expression can be obtained. Similarly, we will do other parts. What should be subtracted from this to get this? Now what should be subtracted? Suppose a is subtracted. So minus a from this to get this. What should be taken away from this to obtain this? What should be taken away? Taken away means we are subtracting. What should be subtracted from this expression? You can write let a be subtracted. So after writing this expression, you can write minus a and then you can solve. Question number 6. From the sum of these two, subtract this. Now in this, there are so many steps are involved. So what we will do? Question number 6, A part. From the sum of these two, subtract this. There are so many steps. Let's do it stepwise. Step 1 is we have to add 3x minus y plus 11 and minus y minus 11. This is what we have to add because from the sum of these two, so let's add these two. 3x minus y plus 11 minus y minus 11. Now let's add it. 3x, there is no other x. minus y minus 2y, and plus 11 and minus 11 will be cancelled because they are the same numbers with opposite sign. So what are we left with? We are left with 3x minus 2y. Now from the sum of this, we have done the sum of this, subtract this expression. Now from this, step 2, from this we have to subtract. So first we will write this expression minus 3x minus y minus 11. 3x minus 2y, minus sign is there, change all the sign inside the bracket. I have changed all the sign. Plus 3x minus 3x cancel, same number with the opposite sign. Minus 2y plus y, plus minus minus 2 minus 1, 1. So minus y plus 11. This is what we are left with. So this is the answer we will get. Similarly, B part, from the sum of these two, subtract the sum of these two. Again, follow the steps. Step 1, add these two. Step 2, add these two, because this is, here we have to add the sum also. Sum of these two is also needs to be done, and these two also. After finding both the steps, step 1 and step 2, then you have to subtract. Now from this one, we have to subtract the second one. So from step 1, subtracts whatever will come in step 2. Follow this because each and every word matters a lot. Okay.